friends, welcome to Flower Palooza. Our host is Crafting with Indiana Jones. Please check out her channel and the amazing creators in the playlist for more ideas for flowers. Today I will be teaching you how to make 3 floral arrangements that's simple and easy, even a beginner can do. Now we're going to do a L-shaped floral arrangement. And when you do a floral arrangement, the rule of thumb is you can go up as high as 1.5 times the container. And let me know in the comments which one of these arrangements is your favorite. This is one you see a lot when at the floral to buy at the floral shop. Actually, I just bought one just a few months ago like this for a funeral that I couldn't attend for a family member. And it had a cross sticking up right here. It was all white, had a cross sticking up right here. And guess the price. I'll tell you at the end of the video. End of me making this. You'll be shocked how much just an arrangement, probably this size, with a cross, actually was. It was pretty shocking. For me, I like to add 1 flower back here in case it's going to be showed on both sides, or a couple. Just because if your arrangement is, say, at a funeral home and it's on a stand where it can be seen on all sides, see, like their little end table, it's nice to have something back there. But there is our L-shaped arrangement. And yeah, you could easily put something, like I said, the arrangement I bought had a cross right here. And the price of it was $100. And it was all fresh white flowers. But there is how you do an L-shaped arrangement. And I would even put one more stem a little higher if I wanted to. That would look pretty good. If you could add one more stem, like that one isn't high enough. This is something different. The biggest thing is making sure your stems are straight. Yeah, there we go. See, it could even be higher. There is our okay, here's our L-shaped arrangement. This is just one of those Dollar Tree containers But you can use a container of your choice for this arrangement. I like more of a flat container. And I'm going to just add some Dollar Tree moss, or you can get your moss wherever. And we're going to start out with 2 large size flowers. And you can really pick your flowers of your choice. Let me see. I'm going to do the same. I was going to do different, but I'm going to do the same. And I'm going to do one lower and one a little higher. And here's how we want our first set of flowers. Like I said, you can choose your colors, you can choose your flowers that you like. And the next I'm going to grab 2 stems, and I'm going to bend them into a crescent shape. And that's going to be our first one. This one maybe need trimmed a little bit. This is our second one. And we're going for a crescent shape. So this one out here will come up just a little shorter. The big thing is you're manipulating your flowers to be a crescent shape. Of course, I have just that one flower that doesn't want to do what I want it to do. It wants to flop. Okay, here's our crescent shape. I need an arrangement that looks really expensive, but isn't. My go-to is these containers here. They look farmhouse, they look expensive, and you can design these so easily. One of my favorite flowers for summer to use is the thistle. And I get these at Michael's. They're so fun, especially for the 4th of July. And you can add red roses with this. You can add white. But today I'm going to do orange and pink. And I always start with 2 large flowers. These could be sunflowers. I've done these with 2 big sunflowers. And then I just start adding and layering other flowers inside this container. You can use tape to hold these in place. I don't normally, because I really reuse them so much in so many different arrangements. I just don't. And when you add big flowers, make sure they're in a zigzag pattern or in 3s. If you can. Unless it's a smaller arrangement, and then I go with 2s, which I don't like to do that. But sometimes you almost have to. And then it's okay to add some different things here in the center. Just to build a little interest. And there is our arrangement. This side, I may add a larger flower back here. A couple large flowers in the back. Especially if this is going to be an all-sided arrangement. You want it where all sides look good. These are almost too big.